Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Fiverr Friendship Gig. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So as you see in Fiverr, there's a big section for Friendship Gig. So here Punitha says, I will provide you with an attentive friendship and sincere advice, and it's for $5 an hour as you see. Here Claudia says, I will help you harmonize your relationship of friendship. Someone else named Chani says, I will offer friendship for a stranger. And there's a lot more and more people who offers their friendship and advice from $5 an hour to $50 an hour. And actually they get money and work. You can make your own gig on Fiverr Friendship and help people texting them virtually or calling them or actually hanging out with them in reality. So all you need to do is make a new gig in Fiverr and make a cool picture and description of your gig. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.